So as I said, today is a great day for Eastwood High School in the Ysleta Independent School District. This $93 million facility is the keystone project of the 2015 bond, and we are extremely proud of the excellent work that is being done by our contractor, BTC Construction, our project manager, VLK Architects, and the architect that designed this beautiful facility, MNK.
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The topping off ceremony is a tradition in the construction industry to signify the last beam being installed on a new building. This occasion not only signifies the last major piece of steel being affixed to a new structure, but also looks forward to what the new building will become. For us current troopers, and those to come in the future, this new building represents a new beginning for Eastwood High School.
It makes us feel good. I mean, just seeing it come from the bottom up, the construction, getting used to it was definitely interesting, but seeing the final product and just seeing like all of our kind of disruptions have now gone to something beautiful, it's a really amazing feeling.
Well, one of the things that we're most proud of is we're going to have a UIL rated theater. So our theater will be able to host UIL events. So it'll have 600 seats. So that's a big addition to the school. What else? We're going to have a new state-of-the-art gymnasium. All of our technology is going to be upgraded. Furniture is going to be state-of-the-art. Everything is just state-of-the-art. It's going to be a great place.
We are very committed to the betterment of our children. We are very committed to the teachers that prepare, that do the daily work.
It's been just a little bit emotional, but I think this is symbolic of what our community can expect from us on all projects, and that is really acknowledging and celebrating the opportunity to give back to the community and to our students.